Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into an in-depth hands-on images first look review of the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. This review will cover all the exciting features, updates, and improvements Canon has brought to its latest powerhouse camera. Canon has truly outdone itself with the EOS R5 Mark II, which boasts a new stacked 45 megapixel sensor, advanced internal upscaling options, an enhanced viewfinder with eye control, improved autofocus, faster burst shooting, and the ability to shoot 8K video up to 60p RAW format. This model also features better heat management and offers 3 optional grips, one designed to keep the camera cool during extended use. Canon EOS R5 Mark II highlights: 45 megapixel stacked sensor. The new sensor reduces the rolling shutter by 60%, minimizing skewing effects in both photos and videos. 8K video recording, capable of recording up to 60p in RAW format with significantly improved heat management. Enhanced viewfinder, features eye control and increased brightness for better usability. Advanced autofocus, improved subject recognition, including new modes for sports photography. Improved battery, a new battery pack, LPE6PP, supports the camera's more power-hungry features. Advanced cooling includes passive cooling and an optional active cooling grip for extended recording sessions. Design and build. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II retains a familiar design with a few notable changes. It maintains a robust magnesium alloy chassis with weather sealing against dust and moisture. The body weight remains similar to the original R5, ensuring a solid, comfortable feel in hand. New viewfinder housing. The higher and more rounded design accommodates the enhanced viewfinder and eye control technology. Multifunction shoe, updated to support more accessories and includes a new locking cap. Redesigned controls. The power switch has been moved to the right side, now serving as a stills and movie selection switch. Shooting and handling. Canon has improved the usability and functionality of the EOS-R5 Mark II with various enhancements. LCD information screen, detailed and located alongside a new power collar for better control. Eye control viewfinder uses infrared LEDs to track eye movement, allowing quick subject selection. Versatile screen. The 3.2-inch side hinged panel with 2.1 million dots provides flexibility for various shooting angles. Autofocus and performance. The autofocus system in the EOS-R5 Mark II is a significant upgrade, leveraging Canon's latest DIGIC processor. It introduces new subject recognition capabilities and action priority modes for sports, making it easier to track and capture fast-moving subjects. The eye control feature further enhances the user experience by allowing photographers to quickly switch focus points. Sports and wildlife modes. Enhanced tracking for human athletes and animals, with new modes specifically for soccer, basketball, and volleyball. Customizable AF areas. Users can now register faces and prioritize specific subjects, perfect for events and sports photography. Video capabilities. The video recording capabilities of the EOS-R5 Mark II are a leap forward, making it an excellent choice for videographers. 8K RAW recording. Extended recording times thanks to improved heat management and the optional cooling grip. Advanced connectivity, full-size HDMI port, and support for external SDs, ensuring high-quality video output and storage options. Neural network noise reduction, available in playback mode for RAW files, enhancing image quality by reducing noise without sacrificing detail. Heat management. Overheating was a major issue with the original R5, but Canon has tackled this with several new strategies. Passive cooling system incorporates graphite sheets and an aluminum plate for better heat dissipation. Optional cooling grip. Active cooling grip with a fan, allowing longer recording times without overheating. Battery life. The new LPE6PP battery pack supports the camera's advanced features, providing longer shooting times and better overall performance. It's also compatible with older models, though older batteries might not power all the R5 Mark II's features. Image quality and upscaling. Canon has introduced AI upscaling in playback mode, doubling the pixel count for enhanced detail in images. This feature is especially useful for photographers who want to maximize the resolution of their shots without the need for external software. Conclusion: the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a formidable camera, packed with advanced features and improvements that make it a top choice for both photographers and videographers. Whether you're shooting high-speed sports, capturing stunning 8K video, or simply looking for a reliable and versatile camera, the ARI5 Mark II delivers on all fronts.